Too much history, have you make it so hard to leave ya? What you do? Big old man thing, me not.
Hey guys, it's me Nekeisha, whatever. Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see by the thumbnail, the title, and everything, you guys are gonna be coming with me as I do my knotless box braids. Here we go. I'm trying to jump right into it. No time to waste. Alright y'all, so I did a style similar to this last year, but I got sick, so like I don't know, I was sick. I wasn't even outside, you get what I'm saying? I was just in my house the whole time, so we're gonna do it again. So basically I'm gonna be doing the back in this color. This is blonde. I'm gonna take it out the pack and stuff. Hold on. Oh yeah, why is it not? Here we go. It's like, it's not white. Like there's a little hint of blondness to it. It looks white on camera, but it's not as white as you think. And then black in the front. So I think I'm gonna do 3 rows in the back of blonde, 3 or 2 rows of blonde, and then the rest black. So I did blow dry my hair, so my hair is blown out, and I clipped the ends. And I only did that because I washed my hair today. I usually don't blow out my hair when I'm doing braids, but it was only because I washed my hair previously. So this is the product that I'm going to be using today. First, making my parts nice and crispy and clean. But yeah, and then a ricer comb. And yeah, you guys are just gonna watch the process basically. I have a mirror right here. Let me see if I could turn this. So yeah, I have my mirror right here, so I'm gonna be using this mirror to part. And then I have another little mirror that I hold. You guys are gonna see it in the video. Another little mirror that I hold so I can look at what I'm doing in the back. I've been braiding my hair for years though, so it's really easy for me to part my hair myself. So sometimes I don't even really be doing too much with the mirrors, and my hair is still, you know, straight. But I want my braids to be nice and crispy this time. Let's get into it. I'm gonna be making a TikTok video as well, so it's gonna be a lot of filming going on. You guys are about to watch me part, and we're gonna jump right into the video. Now look at this. It's so satisfying. I don't even want to touch it. It smells good too.
Yeah, okay. You need to get done. That'll work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't want to rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas trying to end me.
Right? 40 inches, period.
I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all. Now you need to forward and give me all. talking